Alright YouTube, today we're going to be changing the oil on a 2014 Mustang GT 5.0. Here's a list of all the materials you'll need. You'll need 8 quarts of 5W20, Motorcraft oil filter, 15mm socket, 8mm socket, a clean funnel, ramps or jacks, and oil catchers. So I'm going to just get under here real fast and show you. To get to the oil filter here, you got 3 bolts. Here's 1, 2, and 3. So that's what you're gonna need the smaller socket for, and that'll remove that. And then back here is your actual oil drain bolt. So we'll get to that one here soon. Alright, so the first step is you want to let the car warm up a little bit. You can take it out for a quick spin or just let it run for a little bit. So I'm going to crank it up here. Alright, so now that the car is warmed up and it's been cooling down for a little bit here, we're going to take off the drain bolt. Now I already loosened it up just a little bit ahead of time. Apply a little bit of pressure while you're unscrewing, that way it don't make a huge mess. And then we'll let that all drain out. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut the video here, and then we'll be back in a second. Alright, so now that that's finished draining, we're going to go ahead and reapply the drain bolt. Now the 2014 Mustangs, the drain bolt comes with a washer already pre-built into it. A lot of cars though, you'll need to get a separate washer to put on that. So I'm going to tighten this back up here. Now I always do a hand tight, and I've been doing it for years, and it's never steered me wrong. Alright, and then we'll move right on in here to getting the filter out. Now for this one, you're going to need the 8mm. You want to come over on this side. So as you can see here, filter is going to be right here, and that's what we're going to be removing. So I'll be right back. Alright, so now we're just going to unscrew the oil filter. I use this, it's always pretty good. I've done loosen it just a little bit, but I always do these hand tight as well. And this part gets a little messy. Alright, not too bad. I'll get the new oil filter. Now one easy step to forget is not lubing up the O-ring here. So you just want to get some of the new oil and put a light coating around there. Just one or two passes, nothing too crazy. Alright. Go ahead. That hand tight. Alright, now I'm just going to clean up a little bit and we'll be right back. Alright, so now we've got this piece all cleaned up, put it back up here. Now you just have these 3 bolts right here to bolt back in. So we're going to use the 8mm socket to get those in there. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and come back up to the top. So now that all the hard work's done, all we're going to do is just start filling it up. I use a Motorcraft 5W20 full synthetic. So that's 6 quarts right there. So now what I like to do is just come down here and make sure there's no leaks you can see anywhere. As far as that goes, we're good so far. So now we will check the dipstick to see where we're at on the level. As you can see, we're just a little bit under, so we're going to add some more. There's 7 quarts. And we'll come back over here and check again. And we're getting there, right there. So we're right in the middle, so we're gonna go ahead and add the rest of this 8 quarts. Alright, so we got about 1/4 of this quart left, but we're right on the money on the dipstick, so we're not going to add any more. So what we're going to do here is just go ahead and screw the hat back on. And we're going to start the car up and just check for leaks underneath. Let it run for a minute. See, everything here sounds smooth. And we'll let it run for just a little while. I'll keep checking for leaks. If there's no leaks, that'll be the end of this job. And always recycle your oil. So what I always do is I always pour the old oil into the cans, and you can take it anywhere like Advanced or AutoZone or anywhere like that, and they will recycle the oil for free. So thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps.